All right, Module 30 is all about the impacts of urbanization and the methods to reduce urban runoff. So that's something that's really important to understand. So this is one thing that we're really experiencing, this urbanization, not just in our area, but throughout the United States. So understanding the implications that go along with urbanization, I apologize. And understanding the differences between urbanization in developed versus developing countries. Here are some urban growth in these different types of countries. So in the world, in more developed and then in less developed countries. And then here are the 20 largest urban areas in the world, and just understand that most of these are actually expanding still. Understanding what urban sprawl is, that's a term that you should understand. And then what happens with urbanization here in the United States. There are two terms that they do use when we're talking about urbanization. One is saltwater intrusion and the other is impervious surfaces. So I would look through this saltwater intrusion. There was a question on the AP exam last year specifically about saltwater intrusion. So make sure that you understand all of those terms. Knowing what urban blight is also important. And then what can we do to try to reduce the impacts of urbanization and urban sprawl, understanding what it means to do this sustainably and use what we call smart growth is something that's important. And then here, understanding runoff. Runoff is a really key term for urbanization. So understanding that there's a variety of methods that we can employ to actually reduce urban runoff. And I think that's it for this unit. So I'll see you guys next time.